bit more about this one. We just have the nice pour in the masu here.
Yes, so this one have a little hint of like the aromatics have a really nice like banana tropicals. Yeah, it's really nice and soft mouthfeel because it's junmai sake. And also, oh yeah, I want to mention about this sake label. It's drew by Yuko Shimizu. It's one of the very famous illustrator, Japanese illustrator based in New York. So my business partner Masaki, he was like one of the biggest fan of Yuko-san, and he studied arts back in college, and he even made a presentation about her, and he was just like, oh, I wonder if she can be the one who makes the sake label for us. And so we just reach out and give a shot, and then she get back to us and say, oh yeah, I never really done any of the sake labels before, and since you're a woman-owned business and it's an entrepreneurship, I really want to give support younger generation to come. So she decided to do a sake label for us. And so this is like me holding the rice of grain, and in my yukata, it's called arimatsu shibori. It's also like hand tie-dye, traditionally from my home region of Aichi. And this one is part of my name, Ayaka's Aya. It's mean colorful. So my grandmother, she is 92 years old. She still drinks sake every day. So she is a huge fan of sake. And she used to be a choreographer teacher way back in time. So she drew this name for me a long time ago when I first opened this Beshock Ramen back in 2016. So I told my grandmother, I'm gonna bring your passion and love of your sake onto our label. So it makes a whole complete story about this Ayasake and makes it very special for me and for Beshock team.
Very cool. I want to try this now.
So and then here, now you can give a try.
Thank you so much. Kanpai.